Hello guys, good afternoon. It's around 2 p.m. here. So I'm with the Jeria. She's my niece. Yeah, she will introduce herself to you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Jeria. I want to introduce myself. My name is Jeria Mongina and I'm joining. My age is 15 years old. The next year I'm going to join grade 10 and then at the school at Magenge Secondary School. But I'm not having school fees. I want to help me, and then I can tell you thank you. So I can tell you that one. I'm finished to introduce myself. So Aunt Myla is my auntie, so it can help me. But and also you can help me if you want, and then I can thank you.
Okay. So you are in what grade?
I'm joining grade 10 next year.
Yeah. By January.
Date 12.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, mag-grade 12 na siya. Ay, grade 12.
Yeah,
Grade 12, yeah.
grade 10.
Ay, grade 10 di ay.
Yeah.
Yeah. She has admission letter, guys, from the school. Maybe I can attach this one, or you can message me if you want to give something for Jeria. So the school, you report January 12.
Yeah, the 12th
Oh,
January.
yeah, January 12. She
Yeah.
passed this school, guys. So they are the same with Muraro now. They're the same school now. Oh, yeah. So yung father niya, guys, at tsaka si Bernard, kapatid sila. They are brother Bernard and your father,
Yeah.
right? What is the work of your father?
They did not have work to do.
So walang yung work ng papa niya, guys, mag-picker ng cow before. The father of Jeria is taking care the cows before. So they have a lot of cows before. So the family, they have a lot of money. But now, eh,
Is
is
not.
is not that.
Yeah.
And the mother of Jeria, guys, is not here.
Yeah, is
So
not
this
here.
is disappear somewhere.
Yeah. It's
So
like
Jeria,
missing.
you stay in your grandma and
Yeah.
grandpa,
Yeah.
the side of your mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung father niya dito, guys, yung itong bahay doon sa baba. Yun, papa niya, siya lang yung tumitira doon. Parang ano ba, nawala na siguro ng gana kasi yung wifi wala na. Yung hindi naman sa wala, yung may kasama ng iba. So you are how many siblings?
5.
Just in your father's side.
You,
Yeah.
they are all.
Only three.
But yeah,
Last born.
I'm the last
You are
born.
the last born.
Yeah.
So they are three. And your mom side, another husband,
Yeah.
two
Two
boys.
boys.
So they are five now.
Yeah.
So only you in the grandma staying.
Yeah.
Okay. Kasi may nagsasabi na sino daw si Jeria, so kaya yun in-interview ko siya para makilala nyo din siya. So ito yung nila, guys, admission letter. Nabasa ko to, guys, madami requirements. Kasi iba dito kailangan pa ng boarding. Yung boarding nila, the school here, guys, is different. Let me transfer this one so that they will guess. Or let me put here. Yung school kasi dito, guys, I will speak my mother tongue. Guys. Yung school kasi dito guys, ano, yung sa school lang sila ba, they board inside the school. So they cannot going home every day, like not like us. So they have many requirements before they enter the school, and yung mga needed, kailangan ng mga ang dami. Yung mga hygiene, personal hygiene, tapos yung mga requirements ng boarding nila. Magbo-board sila sa school lang, may boarding kasi dito, yung sa loob lang talaga ng school. So students not allowed their phones inside the school. Oh, that is good. So mm, mm. Oh, I see, that is good. Mm. Mm. Oh, so hindi allowed yung yung phone nila sa school, guys. So kailangan sila ng yung iba meron na siya natanggap kasi may natanggap na siyang geometrical seat. She has geometrical seat. Oh, what is metal box? Oh. Ah, so they need, dito guys. So they use it, 3 padlocks, a slipper, black leather shoe with lace. This is the school shoes. Oh, a towel, bath towel. Oh. Mm. Mm.
Money and then
Okay. Okay. So they also oil. This is body oil. Enough oil. Oh, okay. Enough oil, bathing soap and washing soap, shoe polish and brush, 1 dozen of HB pencils and beros. What is beros? Okay. 1 dozen, 1 dozen. 1 box, 1 box. Ay, is not enough. The one that we only give 1. Toothbrush, toothpaste, 10 packs of tissue paper, and sanitary towels for girls. So 1 mosquito net, 2 half of petticoats. What is this white and black? Petticoats.
They are going to be given
2 half.
2 half petticoats, white or black. I don't know those ones.
Okay. Geometrical seat, metal
That is
box. 2 simple night dresses, pajama for boys not flowered, and sleeping light sweater.
Yeah.
Oh. Yung boarding requirements nila ay 2 sets of uniforms, a bucket of a 10-liter kibuyu, clearly what is
Labeled.
that?
You are going to take like this container now, 10 liters, and that basket too. You has to use it.
Ay, is a lot of
It is like you are going to live now in your life.
requirements. Ay, ang daming requirements. 4 inches mattress.
Yeah.
Oh,
4 inches.
4 inch. 2 bed sheets, pink for girls,
that
green
one.
for boys. A blue bed cover for boys. 2 blanket, then
No,
shaving
for
money 60. To prevent theft, all items will label at cost of 500. Oh, so when you have these things, so you will label the name.
Yeah, you
So
label.
that
You are going to.
So the-
They are going to be labeled when you reach in at the school gates before you enter inside.
I see.
Yeah.
So yun pa lang guys ay boarding requirements, at yung nabasa kong una ay personal effects, personal hygiene. Ay, ang daming requirements. Uniform, 2 skirt trousers, 2 blouse skirts.
A tie.
May prices 1,600, 1,000. A tie, 150. Pair of socks,
Yeah.
400. Sweater with a badge, 900. Windbreaker.
800.
Jumper, 2,000.
Games kits and shirt.
Kim's kit and shirt, 900 for boys. And for girls, 500. Weekends for girls,
Weekends.
700. Ay, ang dami. The total of uniform is 9,550 Kenyan shilling. O nasa yun sa 4,900 or let's say 10,000 pesos, guys. Okay. I think the city have a
Now,
the
school
put the policy of the school they put here the policy. So how many 1 year? No.
School fees.
Mm.
They are written there. Boarding school
Where
fees.
is it?
Yeah.
Oh, this. So this one is the school will
This is
pay.
for government.
Oh,
This is for parent. Total for a
okay.
parent now.
Okay, so andito guys yung yung bayaran ng mga parents. The total is 36,500 Kenyan shilling or nasa how much this one divide to 15 13 26 no 36 divide
Yeah.
to
That's what we
nagloading
call
ako
15,
18
250.
18
Oh,
ah
18,
18,250
250 pesos.
pesos like mga 18,000 but this 36 si 500 Kenyan shilling is whole year.
Yeah?
Whole
the
year. Oh, ito yung bayaran ng mga parents nila. But but your parents can pay slowly. Oh, they pay 3 terms. Oh, so they pay first term 12,000 like that until it third semester. 12.
12,000.
Yeah, 12,000. Okay. So, ayun na nga ang problema ni Jeria, guys, kasi kung makabayad ba daw yung papa niya kasi walang work. Kaya yun na. Sometimes kasi yung si Ben na mag-aambag ba. Pero hindi na kaya kasi madaming responsibilidad dun, guys. Kung ako lang madami na akong pera, ay tutulungan ko talaga to kasi siya, guys, yung hardworking. She's hardworking ba tapos makikita mo ba na siya, yung porsigido talaga mag-aaral. Kasi yung papunta niya dito na dala niya to, pinabasa niya sa father niya, tsaka ka Ben. Yung parang, siya ba na, parang hindi siguro siya makapunta ng school kasi yun, kaya yung tuition fees, tapos school uniform pa, iba pa yung school uniform na 9,500, 50 Kenyan shilling. But we will not know. Maybe someone will sponsor you. They will, paano yung sabihin sa English? they will, they will get, oh, you will not know if someone will sponsor you when this video will show. Yeah. Yeah. Now the school uniform, your school uniform that worth of
The cost
where
is
it?
there.
A
Is
cost
there.
of
9.
9,550 Kenyan shilling, guys, ay may nag-i-sponsor na. So Jeria, this 9,550 you have
Is-
already sponsored this one.
Okay,
She
I can
gave
say
you?
thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
look at that.
I can look. I say thank you.
Yeah. Someone from Kuwait, she send you a 10,000 Kenyan shilling in the evening.
Okay, say
Yeah.
thank you.
So that one we will withdraw that because today is Friday, so we
Yeah.
cannot go down because we
Okay.
prepare food. We prepare for Sabbath tomorrow. So we
Okay.
going church tomorrow, guys.
And
And then
until
Sunday we go. Maybe Sunday we go down there to withdraw.
Okay,
Yeah,
say
we
thank
withdraw.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aunt Myla.
And to the
And then it's sponsors, I say thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
You
your
are help.
problem now, tell your dad to get the school fees. If we don't know if someone will send or can contribute.
Okay.
Yeah,
I can tell her.
yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe this is small something here I can buy, I can share. This
Okay.
is small because I don't have a lot of money for now. Maybe
Okay.
I can buy
You
this
can
small
help me a lot. Yeah.
like a slipper like that, toothpaste, toothbrush,
And then
bath
with that,
soap, net,
no,
the
then
tissue paper, maybe
and the
like that guys.
sanitary
So maliliit lang guys kasi
towels.
wala pa akong pera ngayon, hindi pa ako kumukuha hindi pa ako nagsasahod sa YouTube. Okay, so to those who wants to help Jeria, I can assure guys na ano siya, yung matalino ba, makikita mo ba na magpupursigit talaga mag-aaral, hindi kagaya ng iba. Ito si Muraro at si Jeria, they likes going to school. They are clever. Yung nakita ko sila dalawa guys, gusto talaga mag-aral. Yun ang maganda pag tulungan natin ba kasi mag-aaral talaga. So they have also need the scientific calculator.
Yeah.
That one
Can
is
use for
needed.
mathematics.
You need also revise standard version Bible.
Good news.
You have a Bible now.
No, I don't have
No. Four
I don't have
figure,
anything.
four
Exactly.
figure mathematics table.
Exactly. The one
The one we give. Oh, the one the sponsor
Campus
give.
melody.
What is Campus
that
Melody?
is the one for singing. They have Christian hymns.
Okay. Let me check if it's recording. So let's continue. So you need the 10 pieces of 200 rolled exercise book. What is
now, the
this?
one we give is not working. You need page 200. How many books?
10.
10.
Yeah.
Page 200, not the one we give him. Now we are going to
That one is 120.
Yeah.
120. Now it's
Oh,
not
so you need 200 pages.
even
Yeah.
I have page 200.
Mm.
You can
I
give
have
Oh.
I have 13 books.
page 200.
Oh.
When I started, I was doing 13 subjects, but now I'm doing 8 subjects.
You
Yeah.
have
I selected.
those books in your home.
You need the birth certificate 5 copies.
Yeah.
Ay, tutulungan ko to guys pag ano talaga. Yung iba lang na matutulong ko. Kasi kawawa to talaga eh. Rim of photocopying paper 1. So you have now the one we give ya from the sponsor. There's another one. 2 copies. Si
Of
KGC.
yeah, results.
Oh.
Of
Yeah. Slip diary
Slippers.
signed by the
Primary
primary health
head.
teacher.
Okay. Okay, we will see this one. So can we write here or not loud?
I write it.
Oh,
you cannot write there.
this one, the admission late. This
Yeah,
is
that
admission
one,
late.
it is going
That
to
if
return
if
it
I
back.
can join
Ah.
at school, I will
back.
I will this I can
You
write
are
it.
going to sign.
There I can
Okay.
sign that
That
one
letter is the one
inside.
they are
So you put the one in the book. You put the one you need so that we
Yeah.
can
I
check
will
if
write. I write.
yeah,
Right,
so that we
yeah.
can check this one. You have it. This
You have
one.
this,
You have this
you write
one.
in that exercise
Moraro.
book we
So
have.
that we see that what is lacking there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are going to write.
Already
Yeah.
I'm writing.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's it, guys. thank you for watching our vlogs, supporting our, thank you for watching our videos, supporting our videos, and helping kids here in the village. To our sponsors, thank you so much. And to those who will also share their blessings. Ay, totoo guys, madami talaga ditong tulungan, yung tulungan ba? Mga kids, lalo na pag school. Ang maganda dito, yung school nila is sa school ka lang talaga, hindi ka pwede uuwi sa bahay until hindi matapos yung SIM. Uwi lang sila pag yung 1 week, ganun. So now, that's it. Thank you and goodbye.